Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add vector relation equation in Microsoft Word shortcut. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our document. Now we want to add vector relation equation in this document. Press Alt on our keyboard. Then click N. Then click E. Then click M. Then press down button on our keyboard to scroll the equation drop down menu and find the vector relation equation. Here the vector relation equation, then we insert to this equation on our page, press enter on our keyboard. Now we can see we added vector relation equation in this document using the keyboard shortcut key very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.